Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys an amazing set of custom wheels that we just went ahead and bolted up to our project Jeep Wrangler. They are built and designed by the team at Dropstars Wheels, and these right here are their 652 BM wheels in a satin black finish with milled accents. Now, this is certainly not the first review that I've done on a set of custom wheels, but I think it's really easy to be overwhelmed with the huge number of unique wheel choices from so many different manufacturers. Now, it's because of that that I want to take advantage of the ability to share with you guys any of the wheels that roll through our shop. So today, it's all about the Dropstars 652 BM wheel in a satin black finish with milled accents, and I gotta say, for our Jeep, I think we made the perfect choice. Now, I love the satin black look on any truck, but with the addition of the milled accents along the spokes, as well as the outer lip, I personally think it pulls together the entire design. But of course, that's just my opinion. Now, if you want something other than this satin black, Dropstars also offers the 652 BM wheel in a gloss black finish with a bright PVD chrome center, or you can get the entire wheel coated in a bright PVD chrome, so you have a few different options to choose from. Now, speaking of options, every Dropstars wheels is available in various diameters, widths, offsets, and even bolt patterns, so there is a very good chance that Dropstar has the perfect size to fit your truck. Now, for example, the satin black wheel that we have on our Jeep can be ordered in a 20x9 or 20x10, which is not too crazy, but if you're looking for the biggest wheel and tire to stuff under your truck, you can step it up to a 20x12 or these massive 22x14s like we have on our Jeep. Now, you may be saying to yourself, okay, now the finishes are sharp, the size choices are awesome, but what about their strength? Well, because these wheels are off-road inspired, they need to be tough, and that's exactly why each 652 BM wheel is made using a one-piece pressure die-cast construction to hold up both on and off-road. So whether you're pounding the pavement or you're pounding the trails, these wheels won't crack when you hit your first rock. So guys, to wrap up this video, if you're looking for a custom set of wheels for your truck or Jeep and you like what you've seen in this video, head over to CarID.com now to check out these Dropstar 652 BM wheels and the insane number of other options from Dropstars. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time in the garage.